Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this particular video, let us discuss about certain tips for writing the referral letter in your writing subtest of the OET exam. Now you might have come across hundreds and thousands of tips in order to write the referral letter in your writing subtest. But it is practically impossible to remember all these tips once you're going for your examination, right? So here, let me give you 5 practical tips which may help you even during your last minute preparation. Now, letter writing forms one of the important part in the writing subtest, and the medical professionals as well as the nurses need to improve, or they constantly improve upon their letter writing skills. Now, first thing you need to keep in mind is whenever you start your letter, in your introduction, don't fail to mention the receiver's name, address as well as the date. Second thing is, try to properly understand the personal history or the personal details of the case note which is provided, because without understanding that, you can't write your letter properly. Third thing is, try to establish the medical condition properly. It should be clear or precise, which anyone can understand when they go through your letter. Next thing is, always state clearly the reason for your referral letter, because purpose for the referral letter always carries extra marks. And the last thing is, towards the end of your letter, have a proper conclusion for your letter, because in your conclusion you can sum up what all were your findings or what all kinds of suggestions or medications or treatment which you will be providing to your patient, which is very, very important. Just try to keep this order in your mind whenever you appear for writing the referral letter in your writing subtest, and rest all things will automatically come to your mind. And I hope this one was useful and informative. Thank you.